Hello friends. Today I decide to teach you about Adobe Illustrator, and my name is Naeem, and I am 8 years old. Okay, so see, I will make some small video, so you cannot be so bored on watching my video. So let's begin. Click this file. If you want to make a new page, this is just for opening, and you see this. If you want to do on something, so here we go in new. Okay, and we got it. This is the us page. You can see it's pretty nice. Okay, so you can see this small shape there. Okay, see, I was little clicking on it for some while, and you can see I got many options. So I will do on circle. See, I am doing without a shift. See, my ball is dancing really. If I shift now, it will be balancedly doing. Not coming like this, see. Not coming like this, but straight. See, if I do normally from big, so that will be like this. If I do from this, it's better. So better to do with a shift. And what do you want to make? I will just for a beginning I make a most easy eye, not two, just one for showing, and you can do many, like one, two, how much you want you can do. First I need to tell you about this. This is a outline fill. This is a outline fill. This I'm showing on this black stuff, or this you can see the small stuff, and this is background fill. Just doing all of this, what is inside. If I do, see, I do opposite, and that become like this. So let's do click, alt, shift, drag it, make a double. Guys, wait. Okay. This is for a cutting. If you want, you can make on, and if you want no, so no, like this. So make a little font in here. Okay, catching. Okay, see, the most easy. And if you get all of this, I will take a shortcut, Shift M. If for you is easy Shift M, use a Shift M. If not, so go in here and click this shape builder tool. So click Shift M, and it don't going to be this small blue stuff. And how you see this you can see this small blue stuff that will be like a small same thing like this, you can see. Okay, so I am just stuck in here, I must do, so let's go. Cut. I am pressing just the alt, and dragging mouse on this. Got this eye. Got the eye. Okay, taking a shift again. See, nicely doing. Just click delete. Maybe I click the alt, maybe. Okay, see. Now taking this shape again, and you can see this is L for a shortcut of, and it is just for a square, and this is APT because this going to be his background. This you can see this black. If I click, that is 1. If outline stroke and I do up, that will be, if I do 10, look, this so fat. It is like a small thickness. If you going 1 is most, you're doing most 0 is not going to be nothing. So let's go in I will keep in 4 and 5. If you want more, you can do more, but I'm doing that much. Okay, and we are taking this. If you don't need to go again in here, but you can just click on it and you will have it. See. Okay, so do in here some small eye. Okay, that will be this. What I said before. Okay. Okay, in center. It is in center. If you want little on side, let's move on side. Just look in little on side, but I want to just in middle. Okay. Now I hope you enjoyed my Illustrator video, and please like, share this video and subscribe. See you in another lesson. Goodbye, friends.